What is going on, you guys? Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm wrapping this really nice Corvette C8 Stingray in this really nice 3M 2080 satin black. It's a really nice color. It's the same color I want with my car, my Arctic White C8. And I don't know which one's going to be easier. Either my Arctic White, where I had to literally remove everything and I still was able to see some Arctic White, or this really nice C8 in red. But we'll see how everything goes. I will, of course, remove the front fender, the rear quarter panel, everything. The side mirror cap thing, the side splitter, the front lip splitter thing, everything is gonna be coming off. Just like I do any other Corvette C8, you know? Doesn't matter if it's blue, white, red, pink, purple, whatever, you know, whatever the base color is, I don't care. But I do wanna make sure I wrap the car really nice, really good. For example, if I don't remove this and then I finish wrapping this pillar part, and next thing you know, light hits it, you can still see some red, blue, white, whatever the base color is. In this case it's red. You don't want to have that, so I want everything to be black all the way you look through. I want it to be black, so you want to do a very good job. So that's what we're going to do, so let's get to it. All right, little update on the Vette. It's coming along pretty good. Finished up the whole front end. The only times I don't see why it would be necessary to disassemble is if the base color was gloss black and I'm wrapping it in satin black, you know. Remove everything, this part, the grills, the sides, everything. You know, you don't want to go around right here. I know there's a lot of tips and tricks and how to get it wrapped and whatnot. You know, here's my tips and tricks. Remove everything, disassemble, make it look nice from the beginning. Don't waste any wrap. And then realizing that, oh shoot, you know, you follow some tips and tricks, saved a lot of time, and then next thing you know, light's hitting it or sun's hitting it, and then you got like freaking parts sticking out, like the base color, you know, sticking out like a sore thumb. You don't want that. So make it look nice from the get-go. Fender removed because that allowed me to add a little piece right here, so when the door is open there's no base color, which in this case is that red. And yeah, everything has been done really nice. I went all the way up to here because the rear fender kind of covers this, you don't really see it. And yeah, basically that's it. With the trunk, I did remove this part right here because this allows me to fold in the wrap, cut it really nice, and then, you know, right now I'm going to put this part back in and then this part back in, which is right there and right there. So yeah, only thing I got left right now is the roof and yeah, rear fenders and the bumper, which is right here, looking crazy. Disassembled completely. It's going to be done in two pieces, just like I do any other car. This part one piece and then the initial row. That's it. I usually get this part done with like scrap paper, and then, you know, I have a bigger row waiting, which is, I think it's like 9 feet by 33 inches. So yeah, it's gonna look nice. All right guys, the last pieces are finished, and all that's left really is to slap them on. I just finished the rear bumper today. I did do the spoiler and the satin black, the fins, everything is done separate. I mean, you guys could take a look. Everything is looking nice, looking proper. The top is done in one piece. The bottom is done in satin black. And then the only thing that I left in that carbon flash, that factory GM color, are these stands. And that's really it for the Corvette C8. Let's put these pieces back on, and that's it. Starting with this piece right here. Really simple. Just align the clips and that's it, looking nice. Then we got this side mirror cap, which I took off, and you can see why I took it off. There's no cuts. Usually you see a cut right here, but it's one piece, looking nice, looking proper. Let's put this sucker back on. Kind of hard to do it with one hand and then the other hand holding the camera, but yeah, you got to get this bottom piece right here first, and then everything else will just go in pretty nice. And then yeah, no red showing whatsoever on these gaps, which is exactly what you want. There you go, that's 2, and then 3 the other side. And that's 3. Passenger side, same thing, one piece, no red showing, really nice. No red showing. I mean, it's how you want your wraps to look like. So yeah, that's it. Take it outside tomorrow morning, show you guys what it's looking like in the sun. And that's it for the Vette. I'm gonna take you guys around, show you how it's looking. First, I'm gonna show you guys the front end. We left the stock decal that was right here installed, which is I just wrapped over it. In the future, if he wants to remove it, you know, just gotta be very careful not to peel the stock decal that's right here from the factory. But other than that, I mean, everything has been disassembled. You guys seen the whole process. And one more time, I do recommend removing everything. As you guys could see, there is no red showing whatsoever. Not even on the bottom. Like, look at that. Like right here, you don't see nothing. Like, I'm trying to be as transparent with you guys as I can. And with the sides, same thing. This has been removed, no red showing, and this side's skirt has been removed. That line over there, no red showing. It looks really nice. Even the gas cap, look at this. Like the detail I put into this car. Now with the rear end, it was a little bit tricky because not only did I have to disassemble a lot of pieces, but I also had to two-piece this license plate area, which I'm gonna show you guys real quick. Everything is in satin black. And then also I had to do this spoiler right here, which thank God I was able to disassemble, meaning these four stands were something that I was able to just unscrew, as well as these fins right here. I was able to just unscrew. That way I was able to wrap the top part, the bottom part, blend it in right here, and then right here, and then this part, two pieces. 1, 2, and then just slap everything back together. So it was time consuming, but well worth it, as you guys can see the results right now. Well, that's it for the C8. It's excited, and it looks really nice. Honestly, Corvettes done in satin black, matte black, even ultra matte black look insane. There you go. Excited. Like, subscribe, comment, you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.